Morning, children. Today I am going to take Unit 2, The Good Samaritan. Before going to the lesson, I want to tell you all a few things. Many religious women, men have taught us good behavior by their songs, stories, and precepts. For example, Basavana said, "Do not steal, do not kill, do not tell lies." There are many others like Jesus Christ, Muhammad Piyagambar, the Buddha, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Gandhi, etc., who have brought about changes in the humanity. The Good Samaritan is a biblical parable narrated by Jesus Christ to his disciples. Here's the story. There was once a man walking from Jerusalem to Jericho. He was alone, and the road he followed was rocky with many twists and turns. Suddenly, two robbers jumped out of nowhere. The man was frightened. They attacked the man, beat him up, and stole everything he had, even his clothes. The man lay bleeding beside the road. A priest comes along and saw the bleeding man. Instead of helping the bleeding man, the priest backed away quickly and went on his way. Then another man came along and saw the man lying in the dirt covered with blood. The man hesitated to touch him because of his terrible state, and he also went away. Eventually, a Samaritan comes down the road. Very gently, he lifted the man's head and brushed the dust out of his mouth. He cleaned the man with water and also gave him some water to drink. He cleaned the wounds with a little wine to make them heal quickly. He put the man on his donkey and brought him back to the town. Although the wounded man was a Jew, the Samaritan helped and saved him. Jews and Samaritans have been enemies for hundreds of years. The man did not have a reason to help the wounded man. It was his love for mankind made him to help the wounded man. He keeps in a comfortable place and gives him a treatment and takes care of him. The Samaritan gave some money to the innkeeper and asked him to give a clean bed and to take good care of him until he was strong again. The Samaritan left the wounded man and went on his journey to Jericho. After narrating this parable, Jesus Christ asked his disciple, Which of the three men was true neighbor to the man who was robbed? An expert at Jewish law quickly said that a true neighbor of the robbed man was one who helped him. The moral of the story is that we should love and help everybody, especially strangers and those who are in need of help.